wondered what data science really is? Some think it's just AI. Others think you need a PhD even to get started. Well, here's the truth. You don't. Hi, my name is Sakshi and I welcome you to my brand new 12-week data science series where I'll take you from beginner to pro, step by step. In today's tutorial, I'll cover what data science really is, how you can actually use it, and why it matters. Before we get started, let me give you a little sneak peek into what these 12 weeks would look like. By the end of these 12 weeks, you would truly understand what data science is, not just the buzzwords. We'll cover the mathematical concepts, the proofs, the theoretical concepts, and the practical tools explained very clearly in great detail. Every machine learning algorithm, every machine learning framework, every data science technique, I'll walk with you in great detail and explain to you how it works, why it works, and how you can use it in your machine learning models. So, excited for it? Well, we are not done just yet. The most important part is at the end of these 12-week series, you will have an industry grade capstone project that will tie everything very neatly, right from gathering the data, cleaning the data, understanding the data, analyzing the data, using machine learning algorithms to build your own machine learning model, evaluating them using the correct metrics, deploying them, and also understanding the feedback that we get for them.
Alright, so what exactly is data science? In simple terms, it's both an art and a science of extracting insights from data. Data scientists take raw numbers and transform them into something meaningful. That could mean answering important questions, predicting future trends, or even solving big real-world problems. For example, data science is used to improve healthcare outcomes, recommend products you'll actually like, and help businesses make smarter decisions. So at its core, data science is about turning information into actionable knowledge. Every data science project follows a lifecycle, and you can think of it as 4 main steps. The first step is collect. This is where we gather all the data we need, whether it's from databases, APIs, or files. Next, we clean, because raw data usually has errors, duplicates, or missing values that we need to fix before doing anything useful. Then comes explore. We visualize and analyze the data to discover patterns, trends, and relationships. And finally, we model. This is where we build algorithms that can predict future outcomes or classify data into useful categories. Each step is crucial. Together, they transform raw, messy data into actionable insights that drive real-world decisions.
So, what do you think is the number one skill that a data scientist should have? Any guesses? Do you think it's a programming language, or maybe a new AI tool, or maybe some machine learning framework? No. The number one skill that a data scientist needs to have throughout their career, and this skill will never become irrelevant. That skill is problem solving. Yes, no matter how much you know about SQL or Python or artificial intelligence or machine learning frameworks or machine learning algorithms, the key is always going to be able to understand the problem and solve them efficiently using the given data. And you will be able to do this only if you understand the problem correctly. That's why your problem understanding and your problem solving skills needs to be great. This one skill sets apart good data scientists from great data scientists. Let's bust some common myths and misconceptions around data science. Myth number 1. You require a PhD to be a successful data scientist. Absolutely false. Many successful data scientists have diverse backgrounds. Myth number 2. Data science is just artificial intelligence or just machine learning? Again, absolutely false. Although AI and ML are important subsets of data science, that's about it. They are subsets, not the whole thing. Majority of the work in data science involves understanding the data, analyzing the data, and using that data to solve the given problem statements creatively and efficiently. Myth number three, and the most common of them all, you do not require math. Again, absolutely false. You do require math, and you do require statistics, and you require lots and lots of it. Otherwise, how are you going to understand how the machine learning algorithms work, and how are you going to integrate them when you build your own models and deploy them? Myth number four, and the final one, you do not require coding. Again, false. It is true that sometimes you might use visual tools, but for the most part of it, you require coding. Coding is the real backbone of data science.
In the first 4 weeks, we'll focus on the foundations of data science. This includes understanding core concepts, getting familiar with the tools, and working with raw data through collection and cleaning. By the end of this phase, you'll be ready to confidently prepare datasets for deeper analysis. In the next 4 weeks, we shift into analysis and modeling. Here, we'll explore the data, visualize trends, and then start building models that can predict and classify outcomes. This phase is where we see the real power of data science in action. Finally, in the last 4 weeks, our focus is on refinement and impact. We'll improve model performance, validate results, and then move into deployment. Most importantly, we'll learn how to communicate insights effectively so they create real-world value. So, across these 3 phases, foundation, modeling, and application, you'll experience the full data science journey.
So, if you are excited to follow along and level up your data science skills, hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out on every week's video and are notified every time the channel puts out a new video. Also, if you have any questions about week 1, comment them in the comment box and I'll get back to you. See you soon in week 2.